Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today I'm going to show you all my finds that I found today. Today is Saturday that I'm filming this video, so I did go to the thrift store. I went to Five Below and Dollar Tree, so I'm going to show you everything that I got. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Hold on, let me see. I need to turn on the light in my dollhouse. Hold on. I like to have the light on. So this is the remote that comes with my dollhouse lights. I'll link the lights in the description box down below that I use. But yeah, it just turns on all the lights. And you can do it in different colors too. But yeah, so let's just jump right into it. I'm going to start with stuff I got from the thrift store. So from the thrift store, I found this Tokyo 2020 fashion pack. In the thrift store, I got it for $4.99, which is really good. I actually really love the shades that come inside this pack right here. So my doll, I ordered her some shoes on AliExpress, and the colors do match this right here. And so I was like, cool, I get to have the dress, because when I had ordered the whole set, because I have the whole set, but my doll hasn't worn all the outfits, it was missing this one, and now that I found it, I'm happy. And I love the water bottle here. So I found this in the thrift store. And then I was shocked to find it. Sometimes in my thrift store you do find inbox stuff, and then they have a store next door which is like a liquidation store where like on Saturdays everything is $10. But there I was like, I can get more dolls at the thrift store next door. So speaking of other stuff I got from the thrift store, so I got some Barbies. I got these two dolls right here. One of them is a Skipper doll. I believe her name is Skipper. And the other one is a Barbie that I seen on Dollstagram, that she has such a pretty face. So this is the doll that I saw on Dollstagram, that she has such a pretty face. I kind of want to give her a makeover and fix her hair. She got a little bit of a haircut, but it's okay because like most of her hair is straight, I think. If not, then I'll probably maybe reroot her. But other than that, I really do like her face. She's so pretty. So she has a little bit of markings right here, but I can take that off. I have it looks like it'll come off with soap and water, and then her eyebrows are a little taken off there, but I can go ahead and fix that with a little bit of acrylic paint and Mod Podge. And I might change her lip color too to give her more of a nude lip. So that's, and then she comes with this flower dress right here that's so cute, that has polka dots, and it closes in the back. I end up washing all the clothes when I get them from the thrift store, so I'm just gonna like clean her off and give her some new hair, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So the next doll that I found is this one right here, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. She has to be a collector doll. If you guys know what's the face mold for these dolls that I'm showing you, let me know in the comments down below, or what doll this is, and then I'll pin your comment so everybody else will know what doll it is. Because with face molds, I only know a couple. I'm not like a face mold expert, but yeah, if you do know, I will pin your comment. So this is another doll that I found in the thrift store in the toy section. She's so cute. She has her classic look to her and everything like that. So I'm gonna end up I'm gonna leave her the same. Obviously I'm gonna put her on my collector shelf. And then she's missing a boot. That's the only thing. She's missing a boot, which I have so many Barbie boots. I'll just give her a pair of black boots. So, you know, and she has everything else besides that. So she has all her pieces. And yeah, she even like has her rings and things like that, and her earrings. Really nice. And someone commented this face mold before when I did my wedding dress review, that the doll, one of the dolls I showed had this face sculpt. So if you are watching this, let me know again what's the name of this face sculpt. So the next doll that I got from the thrift store, let me show you the Skipper. So this Skipper came with the first doll, and it's this Skipper right here. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do with her. She has articulation in her legs, and I do like her dress a lot. I think her dress could probably fit a Barbie, but yeah, it looks really cute on her. And so yeah, I'll probably just clean her up. If she doesn't have a haircut too, yeah, she looks like she has all her hair, but she's really cute. I like her. And then the last doll that I got as part of the thrift store haul, I got this doll right here. I think he's really handsome. He has a really cute face mold. I really do like that. I have another doll this face mold, but he has more brown, he has more darker skin. This is more of like a light skin, so it's super cute, and I really like the scope of this face. Really cute. I really scored with that. So next thing that I got from the thrift store, I'm really happy about. It's so cute. I got this little trunk case for my doll's clothes to put in the closet at the very top. It has 2 roses to open up, and then it has drawers right here in the middle that open out, and it's really cute. And it has this little cubby right here, and right here is a drawer. There's a machine that plays music in the back, but let me get the drawer, because the drawer was in here. Okay, because this drawer is broken. This drawer belongs in the front right here, but you can rebuild it because the pieces are right here. So it's this and then this right here. So I'm just gonna take some wood glue and fix it, so then when it's closed, it's gonna look completely fixed like this. So it's so beautiful. I got this for $4, which is really cute, and all the other dolls I got them for $4. So next thing that I got from the thrift store is glass trunk right here, which is so cute. I absolutely love it, and it does open up when you lift the latch right here. It opens up, and I think that's so cute. I like to put this in my doll rooms and things like that. It's so cute and looks antique, and I love how it looks. It looks like glass, but it's plastic. And then the final thing that I got from the thrift store for my dollhouse is this vase right here. I thought it was so cute. I got this for $1.99, and I got this right here for 99 cents in the thrift store. So speaking about this is so pretty, you guys. I want to put it in this room right here, because this room right here is kind of like this type of vibe. So I want to get little flowers and have them sticking out, or pumpas, just have it sticking out really cute. That's an idea I have. So I'm gonna stick this here. I do end up cleaning everything, so I'm just sitting in there just to see how I feel about it. And then they do wrap in this cute little wrapping paper. I like my thrift store because they have like a lot of things. They had a Barbie Mustang car, but the front was too messed up for me to buy it. So next we're gonna be moving on to the stuff I got in Five Below. So I ended up getting this sweet shop that you can make with clay that I saw on my Froggy stuff. So we're gonna be making some stuff with this week with my dolls, so stay tuned for that. I cannot wait. I want to try a lot of these things that it shows. I got this one, and then I got the sushi station one, which has all the sushi ones, and I'm really dying to make all these things. And it has more things in the back of that you can make. I just think this is so neat. They have the food truck, but I already have a lot of burgers and things like that in miniature, so I was like, I don't feel like making it when I already have it. So I got these two. So we're going to be doing this on the channel. So next thing that I got is from Dollar Tree. So this is a Dollar Tree little haul. So I got these stones from Dollar Tree in a pack. You might be like, Katrina, why'd you get stones? Trust me, if you guys keep watching my videos, you'll know that what I'll end up using this for. And I got a really good idea with it too. So the next thing that I got from Dollar Tree, I got this felt sheets, which is different colors of felt. And it was $1.25 for all of these. I think it comes with 8 pieces, and it has a lot of felt. You can do a lot of things with felt, so this is a really good buy right here. And then the next thing that I got this peel and stick decal. If you guys haven't watched my totally real Barbie house dollhouse makeover, I will put it in the description box down below, but I did use one of these to do the backsplash for the bathroom, and it came out so cute in my opinion, and I love it. And thank you guys so much for all your support on that video. Thank you so much. And so I got this one. I think this one is really cool. I plan to use it as a backsplash for something, but I don't know yet. But I love holding on to these things when I think they're pretty, because when I do finally know what I want to use it for, then I have it ready. So the next thing, this actually would be cute kind of in the bathroom right here, but we'll see. And then the next thing that I got from Dollar Tree, I got this right here, which is some flowers, because in the front of my totally real Barbie foldable house, it has a little bed where you can put flowers. So I'm gonna glue some of these to a foam board and just push it in there, so the front yard could look kind of cute with my dog looking out the window. So I got these flowers, and I got some of these flowers to just have around the dollhouse and put in like vases and things like that. really cute. And then the next thing I got was this yarn right here, because you guys, I've been doing like the little macrame quilts. Let me show you guys. So this one, the one that I made currently, this one's small, is my first one. I'm very proud of it. So I do want to do a longer one, and it's really cute. So I want to do it with this color right here of yarn that I got from the Dollar Tree. This was the same price. It was $1.25. All this was $1.25 because they don't have the $1.25 plus at this one. Some of them that are around my area, they have the $1.25 plus. But yeah, but this right here was only $1.25, and I'm about to make a really cute doll blanket with it, or a nice little doll throw, because I kind of want to make one to go over here. And I don't know, now that I learned how to do that, I just want to keep going with it. And then finally, the last thing that I purchased today is this fabric right here. I think this is so beautiful. I want to make something so cute for my doll with this. I'm definitely gonna make her an outfit with this. So this is the craft squares. It's a fabric. It's 18 by 20, which kind of like almost like a fat quarter, and it's really cute, and it has such pretty designs, such pretty colors. They have so many different colors, but this caught my eye. So yeah, so that's everything that I bought. So thank you guys so much for watching my haul. I was gonna film inside the store, but I forgot to charge my phone this morning, so I was like, I'll just do a haul when I got home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more crafts from me or more hauls and things like that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.